What are we cooking today, Joyce?
I'm making the beef with this pickle vegetable. We have used this before. We stir fry with squid, remember?
Looks like bok choy.
It's not bok choy. They call it mustard green. I have 2 packages just in case Colvin's here. I always clean things. And this is frying steak. I cleaned it already. And then I'm going to cut it into slice. Okay, when you cut towards the end, you don't want to slice it too much. Then you cut it, not cutting it through, and then you cut. Then it become a bigger piece.
Right?
Nice
trick.
Yeah. Nicer looking. Too bad. But you know, you got the idea. I'm going to cut this. You want a piece?
Sure.
Oh, this pickle thing. I'm going to put some ginger triangle. Scrape it. I'm not scraping the whole thing, but I'm going to use a little bit. And I turn around and cut it into a triangle like this.
Why a triangle?
Just a different look.
I thought it adds a different flavor.
No. Fancy. I'm going to dry that. No oil in the pan because I don't want too much water. Colvin said, that's sauce.
Yeah.
And then I'm going to marinate. Cornstarch, make a thickening sauce, half a teaspoon. I can use a little bit more sugar because the pickle vegetable is sour. And a pinch here, 1/4 cup water, the creamer. And then dark soy. You have to stir this once in a while to dry out. See, right now it's dry. And then I'm going to put some oil. Put some sugar. I don't want to make it too sweet.
Does that balance it out?
Yeah, take it out. I will turn it off because it might be a little bit. I want to burn the bottom. Colvin said you should have bought 3 packages.
Yeah, exactly.
Wow. It's just 2 of us. Not washing it. Just put a little oil and cook the beef. When it gets a little cooler, you should taste it. See whether it's sour enough. Ginger. It's basically flavoring the oil. Don't go too close. I don't think it's going to splash. Don't move it yet. That's a lot of beef, Colvin.
Yeah. Smells good.
That's enough sauce.
Yeah. Is that the thickening sauce?
Yes, that's the thickening sauce. I stir it and put it in the middle. When I stirring the beef, I didn't want to cook it like 100% because that's still hot enough to cook it through. And then that's why I make the beef tender. Can you try a piece to see how salty and stuff? Perfect. Turn it off and that's done.
Wow.
Pretty fast, right?
Easy.
And I'm going to put it out. That's enough, Colvin. Never enough. According to Colvin, never enough food.
Really good dish.
Yeah. Are you glad that I decided to make it?
Uh-huh.
I'm going to clean the plate. They call presentation. Picture time.